And
this one is so clever. I love this. So you're going to take heart-shaped cakes and turn them into Santa Claus.
Exactly.
Adorable.
And, you know...
Oh, Lord, here comes the bags again.
Okay. Well, I'm going to just try to decorate one. You check me out, and then you try it. How's that?
Yeah, right.
All right. So we just kind of cover... a little bit of buttercream with... and you know what? On the show, I use a lot of fondant.
It's moving. Make it stop.
Well, it's on the turntable.
But I don't want it to move. I want it to stay still.
Well, now when you want to get this side, you want to move it. But I wanted to do something buttercream because, tell you the truth, I'm doing something. I'm writing a book.
You are?
And, yep. I made these recipes with my children.
Oh, that's nice.
And it was so much fun, you know, like just doing things.
When's the book coming out?
Probably next year.
Excellent. You can come back and... Mine doesn't have a...
I'm going to give you this one.
All right, fine.
I'll be quick.
All right. That's very quick. Well, you're good at this.
You know, I am cake boss. Cake decorating is very relaxing. You know,
for some people, buddy, this is relaxing.
Rachel,
this
you know...
It's not what I would do on a day off.
Well, yeah. You know what? Once you get into it, you're hooked. You can't... You know, there's nothing better than doing a cake and finishing it.
Really? I can think of a few things better.
Seeing your final product. You know, I mean, you step back and the satisfaction.
I'm just going to watch you. This is too
You want to watch me?
Yeah. So you do the red top
on
the bottom of the heart,
and now
then you do the face, and you put the pom-poms on, and then you can make little eyes, like this one over here. Look, he made a little Santa Claus.
And do his eyes, do his beard.
Very, very cute. Wait, I can do his eyeballs.
You do his eyeballs.
No, I can't. Nothing comes out.
You gotta cut the tip. You have a scissor right there.
The show's not long enough to get me to get this head done.